Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 1970 Chevrolet C10 long box, 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree, completely restored. Restored to a level not seen by many. This is a complete frame off, and it is just stunning. So I'll share with you the things that the guy wanted done. The fellow had this truck that looked like this. He owned it already, and he wanted it complete body off restoration because he gave me some money and he wanted it done just the way he wanted it. So as you can see, the box has been off. You see the new stainless bolts holding the bed down. And then over here, you'll see the linkage has all been restored as well. It's perfectly. It was done by Guild Classic Cars. You may know them. They're in Brantford, Ontario. Look at that Chevrolet done in black chrome, and then the bumper is all black chrome as well. And I don't know if you can see that in the video, but that's really kind of cool. In the sunlight, it's like chrome, and then it goes dark. So it's really a cool look. Have a look underneath here. You'll see that it's completely restored, frame off, everything done, complete. Thing of beauty. See that diff back there? See the new brake lines, exhaust, all new bolts, all completely taken apart, put back together. So the wheels, he picked them out himself. That's what he wanted, was the chromes with the moons, and he got exactly what he asked for. Have a look in there. There's your frame, sandblasted, painted, all done professionally, again by Guild Classics. The interior is done in the black and yellow, which is a really great color combination. The seat is the original Hounds Tooth cloth, just like it should be. No headliner in this one. It does have sun visors. It has a rear view mirror. We have in here the glove box. Let me just take 2 hands here. We have the original build sheet of the vehicle and the protector plates in there. Everything's all beautiful and original. So over here we have the original appraisal before the vehicle was restored, and you can see it was in really great shape already before he restored it. But again, he came into some money and he said, no, I want this thing restored the way I want it done. I want it done top to bottom. So he's had that done, and as you can see now, here we have another appraisal. This appraisal now is for $68,000 Canadian. And this was done a few years ago. I have every receipt and bill from the Guild Restorers, and there's a lot of them here. I got to tell you, there's a lot of bills there. And the total was $179,000 for Guild Classics to restore this vehicle. So new seat belts, new carpeting, new rockers. It's got a brand new jack in the back. And again, everything was taken apart and completely redone. Nothing spared. The glass is all new, and the glass is deep tinted all the way around. And then you've got the black chrome mirrors, black chrome windshield wiper arms. It's got the black chrome C10, and then the black chrome bumper, the black chrome grille. Really unique. And then have a look at the gloss paint underneath the hood there. Fantastic. Here is your 250 cubic inch 6-cylinder inline 6, made it to a 3 on the tree, and it runs just beautiful. Drives great, clutch is in good shape. You can see, look, you can see the engine right in the mirror of that top. The inner fenders are painted as well. The battery is new, and it's a GM battery. The windshield washer is all set up properly. The horn works. It's got power brakes, no power steering. You've got brand new belts, brand new hoses. I mean, just go out and buy everything brand new for a car and put it together, and this is what it costs, $179,000 if you're gonna do it right. So, quite interesting. Let's close this, and there you'll see the black chrome Chevy badging. Headlights are in great shape. Everything's looking good. Black chrome door handles, black chrome door lock, black chrome gas cap. So the whole thing. Here's your driver's door, fantastic condition. And have a look up and down here. Just a thing of beauty. Here's your original VIN plate right there. And over here, you've got your 3 pedals. Emergency brake does work, turn signals work, horn works, steering wheel's awesome. Just a thing of beauty. So, no music, to worry about, no radio. So I'll fire it up for you. I will tell you that it'll smoke a little bit because it's black smoke, and that means it's running rich, and it just needs to be run and set up properly, but we'd be happy to do that, but not in the weather that we've got today. So let's fire this one up. Original miles on it, 65,451. There she fires right up, no problem. Runs great. 3 on the tree, as you see here. 3 right here. Steering wheel. Have a look in the door frames, all brand new. So you can see she's puffing a bit of black smoke. Have a look there. All the way around. So there you have it, folks. That is the 1970 Chevrolet pickup. That's got to be the first one you've seen, 3 on the tree, on a 6-cylinder engine that somebody spent $179,000 to restore. But it's here and available at monroemotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.